Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2001 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2001 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic with 49,520 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust, a primary cover, an air cleaner cover, Harley-Davidson grips, foot controls, rider footboards, passenger floorboards, a timing cover, an engine guard, a luggage rack, aftermarket rear turn signals, saddlebag guards, an oil temperature gauge, front turn signal visors, and chrome switch housings. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Heritage puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Heritage has a 175 to 190 mile range. It has a 25.4 inch seat height and a 739-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Heritage Softail will need the rear shocks addressed. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The rear suspension is soft with fast rebounding, there's cam chest noise, and our technician noted that the cam chest is due for service. Additionally, there's an oil seep at the primary, the inner primary bearing and the rear shocks are due for replacement. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a patch on the rider's seat. This bike has an owner's manual, 1 key and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.